This is James Robertson with WorkSpace Real Estate. Today, we're going to do a very efficient search with office, flex, and industrial space from 4 to 10,000 square feet of space for a standalone building with some acreage that's stabilized. So there's a staffing company that's looking for a nice space here. We need a little bit of a room for equipment, trucks, and whatnot. So that's why we need to stabilize ground. We're going to focus today's search in the energy corridor. So I'm going to go ahead and uh, highlight the area around the energy corridor. I like to get I-10 from behind the beltway just so we have a good cross section. Go well into it. Now there's going to be some industrial space that's up past 99. So I do want to go ahead and go all the way up here just to be thorough. I don't think my client's going to be interested in getting this far up north, but as you can see, for office, flex, and industrial, there are 20 options here in this area. Now, in a different video, I go all the way out so I can show you guys if we would include from 45 on down, there's probably 120 options currently on the market. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. Okay, so we do want, as far as price goes, spots range from 1.3 million to about 100,000. That's just raw land, it looks like. So what's important in this search is that we get the right acreage, right? So we want stabilized land. So we do want to make sure that we're looking at what properties are sitting on a decent amount of land. So if I were to sort this here, the properties here on Franz, these properties may not work, even though I really do like them. I'm going to show my client these spaces because these are very new developments here that I think they did a great job, and they built them at a time where the market kind of took a turn. So I feel like these guys are going to be open to getting some deals done, and I really like the potential for capturing value on these properties. So I will keep them here. Um, they are sitting in one big lot, so they may be able to fence off what they want. As far as everything else here, I think everything else is pretty decent. Everything's sitting on from half an acre all the way up to 9 acres of land. I think this is a great cross section for my client to really take a look at. All of these options could work. Now, this one here, 6,500, it says there's 8,000 square feet. I really wish they had a different picture. Usually when they show the land like this, they don't have a good shot of the property. So that's the property itself. I'm going to include it because the land looks stabilized here. They probably have to clear the trees on this part. This part's definitely stabilized. This part appears to be stabilized as well. We'll go ahead and include it and let the client sort it out if they're not interested. So looking at these options here, I think we have a great cross section of options that could work. There's nothing here that I see that's jumping out where I need to really screen it out. I really like this property on Vanderbilt with the fencing here. There's already a fenced off area, which is great. It's a metal building here as well. The sales price is 1.3 at $150 a foot. It's a little bit expensive for a metal building, but if there's a decent enough amount of office space already built out, this could work well. So I'm going to go ahead and include all of these options for the sake of the search for the client. So you guys, I hope that this information was helpful to you. I just wanted to give you an overview of what it looks like to look at properties for sale. I kind of went through this really, really fast. If you want more details on the market here, what's for sale right now in the area, we love talking about the market. So my name is James Robertson from WorkSpace Real Estate. Thank you guys for watching.